Is having a home your dream? You can now have some of the best at affordable prices. For those who dream of a house on wheels or place of your choice, these would be your dream come true. Here are a few that will help you to choose. Number 15. Thor Vision RV, your ultimate electric adventure. The Thor Vision RV is a top-of-the-line electric recreational vehicle built on a Ford Transit cab and advanced electric chassis. With a powerful battery pack and a versatile fuel cell range extender, it offers an impressive range of 300 miles. This cutting-edge vehicle features enhanced solar capabilities and a convenient phone-based power management system, ensuring efficient energy use on the go. Designed with sleek lines and innovative technology, the Thor Vision RV is both aerodynamic and lightweight. Priced at $250,000, it's a sophisticated blend of home and vehicle offering both comfort and convenience for our adventures on the road. Number 14. Escapes Traveler XL. It comes with maple composite flooring, a kitchen with cabinets, a stainless steel gas stove, a deep stainless steel sink, and a butcher block kitchen table. The bathroom has a vanity with a spacious single bowl sink, a faucet, a shower, a toilet, an exhaust fan, a large mirror, LED lighting, and hardware. One thing we love about the Traveler XL is how comfortable it is for tall people. It has a high ceiling that makes the space feel larger, and the master bedroom is on the first floor, not in a cramped loft. The bedroom's windows create a cozy nook where you can stretch out without hitting your head. Plus, making the bed is easier than in a loft. It is priced at $20,000. Number 13. Eco Capsule, your tiny home solution. The Eco Capsule is a small, elegant, and highly functional micro-unit designed for simplicity and elegance. It features an 880-watt solar array, a 750-watt low-noise wind turbine, and a rainwater collection system with a membrane water filter. Inside, we will find everything we need for comfortable living, including a kitchenette, bathroom with shower and toilet, desk, storage area, and a foldable bed. Plus, it comes with a smart home system that allows us to control everything from our smartphone. With its self-sufficient design, the Eco Capsule offers limitless potential for wherever life takes us. And all this can be ours for just $99,900. Number 12. Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome. This innovative vehicle is built on the foundation of the Tesla Semi, a long-range electric truck capable of towing heavy loads for over 500 kilometers on a single charge. It replaces the cargo trailer with a custom-built RV that seats 6 people comfortably. Featuring large windows, skylights, and a panoramic windscreen, the RV offers a modern, minimalist look and stunning views. Deployable solar panels provide power when parked for extended periods, adding to its sustainability. It is priced at $250,000, offering an ultimate travel experience that combines luxury, technology, and eco-friendliness. Number 11. Airstream Envision Concept. A futuristic electric caravan cruising effortlessly behind your vehicle. With its electric drivetrain and advanced aerodynamics, the Airstream Envision offers enhanced performance and fuel efficiency, effortlessly controlling and positioning your caravan using your mobile device without worrying about backing up or leveling. Equipped with a solar rooftop and high-voltage battery bank, it can power our appliances, allowing us to stay off the grid for longer. The Airstream Envision concept offers a luxurious travel experience with prices ranging from $150,000 to $200,000 depending on features and choices. Number 10. Tiny Heirloom Majesty. The Majesty is Tiny Heirloom's top model, known as the Queen of the Fleet. It comes in 3 versions: the classic farmhouse with white and black themes, the sleek modern with an orange door and brushed gold accents, and the soothing craftsman with wood brown shingles and a rustic feel. This model features a master bedroom and a second bedroom, making it perfect for small families. It is priced at $129,900. The Majesty offers extra storage in its nooks and crannies, which is essential in a tiny house. It also stands out for its larger shower and additional sleeping space. Number 9. Pebble Flow. Experience luxury and convenience with the Pebble Flow, an all-electric RV. Powered by a 45 kWh battery, it can run our appliances for up to 7 days off-grid. Its dual-motor drivetrain boosts our tow vehicle's power and extends our range. With the Pebble app, setting up camp is a breeze. We can control everything with just a tap. Inside, the spacious interior can accommodate up to 4 people and doubles as a mobile office. Cook indoors or out, relax in the spa-like shower, and enjoy the stunning views from the windows. More than just an RV, the Pebble Flow is an eco-friendly and smart way to travel. Prices start at $199,999. Number 8. Caracat 66. A unique catamaran that doubles as a trailer. Despite its compact size of 6.60 meters, it offers all the amenities of a home, including a balcony and wardrobe. Convert the sofas and chairs into beds, and cook delicious meals in the little kitchen. With its patent-pending technology, transitioning between sailing and driving modes is effortless. Plus, it's the lightest and most portable model in its series. Prices start at just $49,999, making it an affordable option for adventurers. Number 7. Rocky Mountains Wasatch. The kitchen in this tiny house feels like home with its full-size fridge, deep sink, upper cabinets, and plenty of cabinet space. There's also a full bathroom with a full-size tub that's perfect for relaxing. The company managed to include all these features without making the unit feel cramped. It is priced at $76,000. Number 6. Marathon Coach 1379. Marathon Coach 1379 is a luxury motorhome priced at $499,000. It boasts modern elegance and high-end features. Inside, we will find leather couches, 2 TVs, a full-size refrigerator, and a built-in microwave. It also has 2 bathrooms, a cozy bedroom with unique lighting and USB ports, and a top-notch audio system. With all these luxurious amenities, it's like having a luxury lifestyle on wheels. Number 5. Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror T. A top-of-the-line off-road caravan that excels in power, comfort, and innovation. Powered by a 15.6-liter engine generating 578 horsepower, and 2,800 Newton-meters of torque. With its innovative side-opening room expansion mechanism, it offers a spacious living area of 255 square meters, complete with an outdoor patio and a fully equipped internal cabin featuring cooking facilities, a 50-inch TV, a round sofa, a double bed, and a Bose sound system. The terrace includes a grill kitchen and another 50-inch TV. Experience luxury off-road travel with the Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror T, available in China for $1.7 million. Number 4. Minimaliste Nomad. This tiny house checks all the boxes: a bedroom you can stand up in, a tub in the bathroom, a full kitchen, and more. The exterior is all steel, requiring less maintenance, and the windows are made of tempered glass. The Nomad is perfect for those who want to travel off the grid. If you upgrade to water tanks, they won't freeze in the winter, ensuring you have reliable water access even when not connected to a main source. Despite being one of the smallest homes on this list, the Nomad offers great value and uses a clean interior design to maximize space. It comes at $71,000. Number 3. Volkswagen California. Perfect for weekend getaways or family road trips, it's equipped with everything you need. With its pop-up canopy, it offers a spacious sleeping area for 2 adults and 2 children. The kitchenette includes a sink, fridge, stove, and touchscreen controls. Powered by a strong diesel engine, it's efficient and reliable. We can choose between 2 or 4-wheel drive options and enjoy features like lane assist and park assist. Experience ultimate freedom and flexibility with the Volkswagen California, starting from $74,900. Number 2. Incred White Box. The Incred iBox has everything you need to live comfortably, including a kitchen with cabinets and loft storage. The kitchen, the heart of any home, feels spacious for such a small space. It features a butcher block countertop, cabinets, and a 30-inch sink. The bathroom is tucked away and needs a door or curtain for privacy. The shower is adequate in size, but it might be a tight fit for some people. It comes with a price tag of $20,000. Number 1. Discover Stella Vita, a solar-powered mobile home for nature lovers. It's the first camper that can sustain itself, traveling up to 453 miles on a sunny day. With pop-up roofs and solar panels, it maximizes space and energy efficiency. Priced at around $150,000, it's a worthwhile investment for eco-friendly travel and living. So let us know your pick in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, see you all.